Pakistan, a land of fertile plains and ancient traditions, boasts a rich agricultural history. This history is deeply intertwined with the cultivation of various crops that have sustained its people for generations. Among its many agricultural treasures, sugarcane holds a special place. This crop is not just a source of sweetness, but a symbol of the country's rich heritage. For centuries, this tall, sturdy grass has been a vital part of the Pakistani landscape and economy. Its presence is a testament to the enduring agricultural practices that have been passed down through generations. Its cultivation dates back thousands of years, with evidence suggesting its presence in the Indus Valley civilization. This ancient civilization, known for its advanced urban planning and agriculture, recognized the value of sugarcane. Today, sugarcane thrives in the fertile regions of Punjab and Sindh. These areas are known for their rich soil and favorable climate, making them ideal for sugarcane farming. These provinces provide the ideal climate and soil conditions for this water-intensive crop. The combination of fertile soil and ample water supply ensures a bountiful harvest. The hot, humid summers and mild winters create the perfect environment for sugarcane to flourish. This climate allows for multiple harvests throughout the year, ensuring a steady supply. Its cultivation is not just an agricultural practice, it is a way of life for millions of Pakistanis. The rhythms of planting, tending, and harvesting sugarcane are deeply embedded in the cultural fabric of rural communities. Sugarcane is more than just a crop, it's a lifeline. It sustains families, supports local economies, and plays a crucial role in the social structure of rural areas. It provides employment for a significant portion of the rural population. From planting to processing, the sugarcane industry offers numerous job opportunities. From farmers to factory workers, countless individuals depend on the sugarcane industry for their livelihood. The entire supply chain from field to factory is a testament to the hard work and dedication of these individuals. The sweetness of sugarcane translates into economic prosperity for many communities. It is a source of pride and a symbol of the enduring spirit of the people of Pakistan. As the sugarcane matures, its stalks turn a vibrant green, signaling the start of the harvest season. This transformation is a visual cue for the farmers, who have been patiently tending to their crops for months, waiting for this very moment. The fields come alive with activity as farmers and laborers work tirelessly to bring in the harvest. It's a time of both celebration and hard work, as the community comes together to ensure a bountiful yield. The air hums with the rhythmic swoosh of machetes as workers cut the sugarcane stalks close to the ground. Each swing is precise, honed by years of experience, ensuring that the stalks are harvested efficiently and effectively. Traditional methods like using bullock carts are still prevalent in many areas. These age-old techniques are not just about nostalgia, they are practical solutions that have stood the test of time. These gentle giants, a testament to the enduring bond between man and animal, navigate the fields with ease, transporting the heavy sugarcane stalks. Their strength and reliability are crucial during this busy season. The rhythmic clip-clop of their hooves adds a timeless melody to the harvest symphony. It's a sound that has echoed through generations, a reminder of the continuity of agricultural traditions. Once harvested, the sugarcane is loaded onto trucks, ready to begin its transformation from raw crop to sweet delight. This marks the next phase of its journey, where modern technology meets traditional farming. The journey from field to factory marks the beginning of a fascinating process, steeped in tradition and human endeavor. Each step, from cutting to processing, is a testament to the hard work and dedication of those who bring this sweet crop to our tables. The sugarcane's journey continues to the sugar mills, where the magic of transformation begins. Here the air is thick with the sweet, earthy aroma of sugarcane. The rhythmic clanking and whirring of machinery fill the air as the sugarcane stalks are crushed between heavy rollers. This process extracts the precious sugarcane juice, a sweet emerald green elixir. The air hangs heavy with a sticky humidity as the juice flows through channels, resembling a river of liquid jade. This raw juice, brimming with natural sweetness, is the foundation of gur. From here, the sugarcane juice embarks on its next stage of transformation, a journey guided by the hands of skilled artisans. The process is a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring power of traditional methods. The extracted sugarcane juice is then poured into large, shallow pans placed over roaring fires. This traditional method of boiling is still widely practiced, with wood fire often being the fuel of choice. The flames dance beneath the pans, their heat coaxing the sugarcane juice to shed its excess water and transform. As the juice heats up, it transforms, thickening and taking on a rich amber hue. The air fills with the sweet, caramelized aroma of gur, a scent that speaks of warmth, comfort, and tradition. This process requires constant attention and a skilled hand. The gur maker, with years of experience etched onto their palms, constantly stirs the thickening liquid. They monitor its consistency, ensuring it doesn't burn or overcook. It is in this delicate dance between heat and time that the true essence of gur is revealed. Section 5. Masters of Sweetness, the gur makers. The gur makers are the unsung heroes of this sweet tale. They work tirelessly, often starting their day before dawn, to ensure that the gur is made to perfection. Their expertise lies in knowing precisely when the gur has reached its perfect consistency. This is not just a skill, but an art form that requires a deep understanding of the process. This knowledge, passed down through generations, is a testament to the enduring power of traditional wisdom. Each family member plays a crucial role, ensuring that the legacy continues. They use a simple yet effective technique to test the gur's readiness. This method has been honed over centuries and remains unchanged. A small amount of the hot syrup is dropped into a bowl of cold water. This step is crucial in determining the exact moment the syrup transforms into gur. If it solidifies into a soft ball, the gur is ready. This simple test is the culmination of hours of hard work and careful monitoring. It's a moment that requires intuition and experience, a skill honed over years of practice. The gur maker's eyes and hands work in perfect harmony to achieve this. Once ready, the gur is poured onto large mats or molds to cool and solidify. This final step is done with great care to ensure the quality of the product. The air vibrates with the excitement of the final transformation. The entire community comes together to witness this magical moment. The molten amber liquid settles into a smooth, solid form, ready to be enjoyed. This transformation is a sight to behold, a true marvel of traditional craftsmanship. These individuals, with their dedication and mastery of tradition, play a vital role in bringing the sweetness of gur to countless homes across Pakistan. Their work is a labor of love, a gift of sweetness that connects generations. A shared heritage. Knowledge passed through generations. Making gur is not just a profession, it's a shared heritage. Families often gather around the simmering pans, sharing stories and laughter as they work. The younger generation learns the art from their elders, ensuring the continuation of this age-old tradition. Children, their eyes wide with wonder, observe the process, their senses filled with the sights, sounds and smells of gur making. They learn to distinguish the different stages of the process, from the initial bubbling of the juice to the final stirring of the thickening gur. This intergenerational transfer of knowledge ensures that the art of gur making remains alive and thriving. It is a testament to the deep-rooted cultural significance of this traditional sweetener in Pakistani society. Beyond taste, gur's place in culture and health. Gur holds a special place in Pakistani culture and cuisine. It is a staple in many households, enjoyed in its pure form or used to sweeten a variety of dishes. From warming winter desserts to cooling summer drinks, gur's versatility knows no bounds. Beyond its culinary uses, gur is also valued for its nutritional benefits. It is a good source of iron and other essential minerals, making it a healthier alternative to refined sugar. In a world increasingly dominated by processed foods, gur stands as a reminder of the simple, wholesome goodness of nature's bounty. A sweet, future-preserving tradition. As we embrace modernity, it is crucial to preserve our traditional food practices. The journey of gur, from field to flavor, is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of Pakistani farmers and artisans. By supporting local producers and valuing traditional foods, we contribute to the preservation of a rich cultural heritage. The rhythmic clang of sugar mills, the smoky aroma of boiling sugarcane juice, the laughter of families gathered around cooling mats of gur, these are the sights and sounds of a tradition worth cherishing. Let us pledge to keep these traditions alive, ensuring that future generations can savor the unique sweetness of Pakistani gur. Support the journey from field to your table. The next time you enjoy the rich sweetness of gur, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. From the sun-drenched fields of sugarcane to the skilled hands of the gur makers, it is a story of hard work, tradition, and community spirit. By choosing gur, we not only support local farmers and artisans, but also reconnect with a healthier, more sustainable way of life. Let the sweetness of gur be a reminder of the importance of preserving our culinary heritage for generations to come.